Hi, my name is Johanna Piard. I am 17 years old and I'm Haitian-American. Um, One of the things about school that I like about being Haitian-American is that you get to meet different people, and that's something that I really like, public school and private school. What I don't like is that sometimes arrogance, comes with the culture for other people. They make stereotypes. If you're different from them, they kind of isolate you, and that sometimes goes too far for other people. So, but going to a private school, I've been away from that problem. Well, teachers, I kind of like my teachers. My teachers are very, they know about at my school. They know about the Haitian culture, and so I don't have any dislikes about my teachers. Public school, the teachers are as arrogant as the kids.